much. It's an honor to host a community event like this because it's good to see the community come together to support each other and all the wonderful vendors and different companies getting involved to support the kids and the Wentzville community. We do get a lot of support from throughout the entire district, from central office, school board members, teachers, administrators at all different levels of elementary, middle school, high school. So definitely feel very supported here, and we appreciate everybody coming out to help at Timberland High School.
A lot because we're getting stuff for school so we can learn. It's nice because it's helping out people so they can have school supplies.
What are we getting today?
Candy.
Candy? What else are we getting?
Photos, pencils, crayons.
This is our first year, so we just came to check it out and get the girls pumped and ready for school. They're getting closer. It's nice to come out and meet the vendors. It's nice to have the support from the businesses and let the kids know that they're all backing them. And yeah, I know it's a lot of work for a lot of people, and it's very nice.
I believe Wentzville is the only one in the St. Charles County area that I'm aware of that does an event like this. It's definitely a good thing for the students who can't get the supplies on their own to be able to show up on the first day with their own school supplies. It's always good to volunteer my time for something for the good of the community.
It is pretty neat to see the kids smile when Dr. Kane was handing out bags. Their faces glow and they're excited to get the school year started.
It gets us excited because we don't have to go shopping with our parents.
It's a great event. I think it's just bringing the community together for the common goal of starting a fresh school year on a positive note.
There you are. I'm right here.
So are you having fun?
Yeah.
Tell us why.
Like